សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់យើងខ្ញុំនឹងចែករំលែកប្រយោគល្អៗទៅកាន់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីងាយស្រួលយល់តោះយើងរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នា I am going for a walk ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅដើរលេង I am going for a walk Let's go outside តោះទៅខាងក្រៅ Let's go outside We are going to the park យើងកំពុងទៅសួន We are going to the park I like walking in the evening ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដើរលេងពេលល្ងាច I like walking in the evening The weather is nice today អាកាសធាតុល្អថ្ងៃនេះ The weather is nice today Let's take a walk together តោះទៅដើរលេងជាមួយគ្នា Let's take a walk together I am going to meet my friends ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅជួបមិត្តភក្តិ I am going to meet my friends We are hanging out យើងកំពុងដើរលេងជាមួយគ្នា We are hanging out I enjoy spending time outside ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តចំណាយពេលខាងក្រៅ I enjoy spending time outside Let's go to the park តោះទៅសួន Let's go to the park I want to relax outside ខ្ញុំចង់សម្រាកខាងក្រៅ I want to relax outside This place is very beautiful កន្លែងនេះស្អាតណាស់ This place is very beautiful We are having a good time យើងកំពុងមានពេលល្អ We are having a good time I like going out on weekends ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដើរលេងថ្ងៃចុងសប្តាហ៍ I like going out on weekends Let's go eat something តោះទៅញ៉ាំអ្វីមួយ Let's go eat something I am walking with my family ខ្ញុំកំពុងដើរលេងជាមួយគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំ I am walking with my family The park is very quiet សួននេះស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ណាស់ The park is very quiet I feel happy outside ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍សប្បាយរីករាយនៅខាងក្រៅ I feel happy outside Let's enjoy the fresh air តោះយើងរីករាយជាមួយខ្យល់បរិសុទ្ធ Let's enjoy the fresh air I am going to the river ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅទន្លេ I am going to the river We are going out tonight យើងទៅដើរលេងយប់នេះ We are going out tonight. I like walking in nature. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដើរលេងក្នុងធម្មជាតិ I like walking in nature. Let's take photos here. តោះថតរូបនៅទីនេះ Let's take photos here. I want to see the sunset. ខ្ញុំចង់មើលថ្ងៃលិច I want to see the sunset. This place looks amazing. កន្លែងនេះមើលទៅអស្ចារ្យ This place look amazing. I am feeling relaxed. ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ធូរស្រាល I am feeling relaxed. We are walking slowly. យើងកំពុងដើរយឺតៗ We are walking slowly. Let's sit here for a while. តោះអង្គុយនៅទីនេះបន្តិច Let's sit here for a while. I am enjoying the view. ខ្ញុំកំពុងរីករាយនឹងទេសភាព I am enjoying the view. I love going out with friends. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដើរលេងជាមួយមិត្តភក្តិ I love going out with friends. The air is fresh and clean. ខ្យល់ស្រស់និងស្អាត The air is fresh and clean. Let's explore the area. តោះស្វែងយល់តំបន់នេះ Let's explore the area. I am taking pictures. ខ្ញុំកំពុងថតរូប I am taking pictures. We are having fun. យើងកំពុងសប្បាយរីករាយ We are having fun. I like peaceful places. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកន្លែងស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ I like peaceful places. Let's go for a drive. តោះទៅបើកឡានលេង Let's go for a drive. I want to go somewhere nice this weekend. ខ្ញុំចង់ទៅកន្លែងល្អៗចុងសប្តាហ៍នេះ I want to go somewhere nice this weekend. We are enjoying our trip. យើងកំពុងរីករាយនឹងដំណើរកម្សាន្តរបស់ពួកយើង We are enjoying our trip. I am happy to be outside. ខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តដែលបាននៅខាងក្រៅ I am happy to be outside.